Okay. One-fourth a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, pinch of salt, 3/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 a teaspoon, 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, two tablespoons of melted butter, we're just going to give this a little bit of a stir. Three-fourths brown sugar, packed. One teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of flour, 1 cup of oats, half cup of butter, cold. So we're going to mix this up, and how we're going to do that is we're going to use knives and just cut along the butter. And you just want to keep doing this until everything is nice and mixed. You could start out with all of your butter cut into cubes already. I would suggest that.
So once you're finished mixing the topping, you're just going to want to put that to the side, and you're going to want to mix the apples into the sauce that we made earlier, greasing the bottom of the pan before you put the apples in, and then just sprinkling the topping all over top. Now when you're finished doing that, it should look something like this, and then we're just going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then this is going to go into the oven for 40 minutes.